of Nitish. So I can inform you that today's all the performance of Nitish were done very sincerely, very meticulously by all the Sebais. In fact, the Pahandi ritual, which is the most mesmerizing and important ritual in the Ratha Yatra, the chariot festival, started at 9 a.m. In place of 9:30 as per the original schedule time. But during the Pahandi time, it took longer period for the deities to come to the chariots, and that's how the chariot pulling also was delayed by almost an hour. So the first, the chariot of Balabhadra Mahaprabhu started around 5 p.m. and then thereafter Mahasubhadra's chariot got started at around 6 p.m. and then at 7 p.m. the Nandighosa chariot, the chariot of Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath, started at around 7 p.m. So as per the rituals, as per the Sebai's versions and as per the traditions of this temple, there has not been any violation of the nitis or the rituals. It's a very normal process because we also take care of the security of all the devotees who come. As per the information that we have, around 10 to 12 lakh, about 1.2 million devotees gathered today to have darshan of the deities, and all the rituals went very well. In keeping in view the security of the devotees who have gathered in large numbers in the Badadanda, the Grand Road, we decided to stop the chariot pulling late in the evening hours, because it would be very unsafe for chariot pulling in the evening hours. So the chariot pulling of all the three deities, namely the Taladhwaja Ratha, the Darpadalana chariot and the Nandighosa chariot, will start at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow, that is 17th of July 2026. Through you, we wish to express our gratitude to all the servitors of the temple who cooperated wholeheartedly for smooth and timely performance of the nitis. And also we want to express our gratitude to all the devotees for their cooperation in the entire festival. No, that is a very sensitive ritual, because it was raining today. And yesterday, for your kind information, Puri had the highest rainfall in the entire state. Amongst all the places in Odisha state, Puri had the highest amount of rainfall of about 148 millimeters. So, when the deities are brought on Pahandi, they are brought open. So, in fact, there is a custom, a tradition, that we put the Sebais put a raincoat to Jagannath Mahaprabhu. That's called Gilapa. In Odia, it is called Gilapa. So Mahaprabhu had Gilapa in his body, and then the Tahiya, which was adorned by Mahaprabhu, that got wet, and then the Sebais only decided to take it out. That is as per the tradition, nothing unusual. And as per the tradition of the Pahandi ritual, the deities were brought to the chariots, and thereafter other rituals of the visit of Shankaracharya Maharaj, the Chera Pahara by the Gachapati Maharaj, all were done, and the dragging started thereafter. So there has not been any unusual thing contrary to the traditions of the temple. It is completely it happens almost in many years. So keeping the security aspect of the devotees, we have taken the decision to drag the chariot, pull the chariot tomorrow again. So I want to, through you, we want to express our gratitude to each and everybody who are involved in this grand spectacle, the district administration, the police administration, various arms of government of the state government, the government of India, all the volunteers, the media friends like all of you. We want to express our gratitude. Thank you so much. Jai Jagannath.